Hi guys, how's it going today? This is just a very quick 5-minute review. Congratulations to all the people that have gotten in on this trade. It was a really nice trade, right guys? I've been tweeting about it for hours now, okay? I've been tweeting about it for hours now, and what I've been noticing is that an ending fifth wave diagonal has been forming. So for the people that got in on it, awesome. If you got on it just because I was calling it, then this would be a really good lesson to review. And for the people that missed out on it as well, we can also review it because you guys can plan for the future. And if you know what you missed out on before, then maybe it can help you recognize some signs so you can enter a position down the road, right? When you see something very similar to this. So this is a good learning opportunity either way, I would say. So first of all, it's kind of a complicated one, I guess. It's a complicated one because you have to know where to count your waves first of all. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here, okay? And then this ending fifth wave diagonal only happens in the fifth wave, all right? It only happens in the fifth wave. So now that I've isolated down to this specific wave, which is a fifth wave here, then I started counting my Elliott wave regardless of how I did it like that. So I called out the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. And the most important thing to note of all of this is the wedge that is squeezing into here, which I will draw. My computer is being so weird, like it lags. Like I've got a Skylake processor on this computer. I've got like 16 gigs of RAM, and I don't do anything inappropriate on the internet, put it that way. My work computer is it's built like a brick. But are you guys lagging as well in bitfinex? Like, my mouse, everything will freeze up for about 5 seconds every few minutes. You guys will see, like, when it freezes up, I'll say, okay? I'll call it out. Just let me know if you guys are having issues like that as well, because I'm only having it on this computer. Well, the other ones, they lag a little, but not as, it's really weird, this computer here. I've got solid state and everything as well. I've got a really good video card on it. Yeah, anyways. So this ending fifth wave diagonal in here, right now, see I'm trying to drag, it's completely lagged out. This ending fifth wave diagonal squeezes into this particular pattern right here, right? And then here, the bulls basically end up taking over and the bears, they just give up. That's usually what ends up happening. So what we like to do is as close to the bottom as we possibly can. We like to buy it on the bottom, okay? And then eventually the people who are shorting, they close their positions as well, which does a market execution. If they're doing it that way, then it spikes up the market as well, right? So that was the way to play it right here. Now the target was actually easy as well. Let me show you, okay? Let's say you took the base range of this wedge right here. Let's just say you took it about right here, okay? And just as a general target, what you'd want to do is just like that on the breakout, okay? Isn't that pretty easy, guys? So once again, of course it can go higher than that, like you never know, right? It can go way higher than that as well. So let's say, well, it's down ticking hard now. You just do it like that, the base range of the wedge, put it right here, and you can see that it's breaking out, right? Right there, so that would be your target. And then after that, we're gonna go to a 1-minute chart because that's what we were pretty much playing it on, guys. We were playing it on the 1-minute chart. And we're seeing a downtick right now as well, so we made the right choice, guys, to actually close our position. See, my computer is so lagging, and it's actually really irritating, and I don't understand what's wrong with it right now. Anyways, back to the 1-minute chart. Sorry. So when we were on the 1-minute chart here, I called out on my Twitter that this is a flag, right? That this is a flag right here. A bullish one we were hoping for. And then I also did this right here where I used Fibonacci extension like that, and we were going for basically a 1618 extension, but it actually didn't even hit it, guys. It didn't even hit the extension because we got like a really ugly wave, and this is not a corrective wave either, right? It should have been an impulse wave because it finished the Elliott wave pattern, but there's a lot of bearish pressure right now still. So all that we did was we hit the 1-to-1 extension, and then we took our profit, and then we were saying that, hey, could this possibly be a leading first wave diagonal? So we were looking at it like that at first, right? So hopefully that it bounced there, and then we can accept the wave overlap rule in here So then we were trying to hope for a target around up here. That would have been really nice, like that, right? But because this one just failed completely and it broke out of it, then I also accepted the fact that, hey, can it be a just really ugly channel and maybe like a wick or something just passes through and nothing more than that? Could that possibly be it right here? So we were just wondering a lot of different theories that have been going on today, right? Excuse me if my voice is raspy, but it didn't even happen. So now what we're going to do is we're going to discount our channel theory, right? We're going to discount our Elliott wave theory as well. There's no 5. Actually, we can also say, hey, was this just a really ugly, super duper duper ugly Elliott wave right here, where the 5th wave became truncated, right? That could have been possible. And then now we take our Fibonacci extension. Oh, this one was easy to nail down there as well. We just took our Fibonacci, okay, and then we target it right here. That's why I put that green box there on Twitter, because I wanted to I wanted people to get into a position right around the 55 moving average and between the 0.5 and 618 Fibonacci level, which is exactly what it did. Exactly what it did. So then, you know, people would say, hey, that's just an ABC. Well, no, ABCs only come after a full impulse wave, okay? That's really important to remember, guys, that it only comes after a full impulse wave, and it didn't make a full impulse wave at all. And now we have to say to ourselves, oh, what kind of correction is this making right here, okay? What kind of correction is this making right here? Sorry, just trying to move this right now, like that. Right, and we see that's correcting way more than 618 already. So not only did the 5th wave impulse fail, but we're now also correcting well into the 618 region as well here. So it looks like it's actually a failed impulse wave here. Very short one, you know, but nevertheless, see, my computer's lagging. That's why sometimes I don't move my mouse, because I got nothing to do because it's lagging. So yeah, so that's how we basically play this right here. You know, this one, some might argue, even if we look a little bit closer. So this video is for the people that have been following me on Twitter for my play that I've been waiting for a very long time, right? Yeah. So, you know, we can see it's something like that as well. So is that possible? Yeah, I guess it is possible, but it's usually found in it's usually found in the fifth wave, right? The 5th wave or the C structure, right? So then, like, where's the first subwave? There's no first subwave anywhere in here, right? So if this was A and then this was B and then all this is C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sure, like that could be acceptable, but there's a 5th wave missing. So it's like, where did it go right now? There's got to be a 5th wave. If there's no 5th wave, then we can't really hold these as true rules. We're down ticking already to the 786 level over here, as you guys can tell, right? Like, don't get me wrong, we can down tick all the way to the 1-to-1 extension, but right? But sorry, I'm just looking at the price action here. I'm just seeing people just drop it right now. So anyways, I just want to give you guys a quick just a quick update on how we could have played that position right there, okay? So I thought that was a very good learning experience for all of us, and I hope that you guys have taken away a lot from this as well. So have yourselves a good night, and thank you for joining me on that play. That was super profitable. We went from $600 or 6K to 6,600, guys, in about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it just spiked up so hard, guys. It was awesome, right? Okay, have yourselves a wonderful day, guys, and thank you for taking that trade and for trusting me. Have a good one. Bye now. Oh, by the way, if you guys love these videos, these calls, everything I do, go upvote it as well on Steemit. Go like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Have yourselves a good one. Bye now.